One of my favorite new genre kind of smash ups is this historical fantasy mystery smash up. Hazelwood was very much that kind of dark fantasy that's also a mystery. And another one is called A Taste for Monsters, and it is set in London. And it is in the time of Jack the Ripper. And so during this time, everybody was really scared to go out at night. Women were getting mutilated and left in the street. It was kind of gruesome and gross. And that's kind of where our setting of our story takes place. Our main character is Evelyn, and she is young, but she lives in squalor. She kind of lives in poverty. She is looking for a job. She works in a factory, but she does not want to continue to work there. The factory has actually hurt her, the things that she's working with, so she's trying to find a different job. And she goes to a nursing school, which was part of kind of like a monastery, a nunnery, and she wants to become a nurse. And the nursing administrator says, "You're too young. We can't start training you yet. But if you can have room and board here, which means you can stay and you can live, we'll give you a place to sleep. If you will take kind of this a nursing assistant's job." And she says, "I'll take it. I don't care what I have to do. I'll take it." She ends up being a nursing assistant for the Elephant Man. If you know anything about the Elephant Man, it is a true story about a man who grew tumors on his face. And the tumors grow so large that it hinders him from being able to sleep and to breathe properly and all these kinds of things. And so there were some pretty gross jobs that Evelyn had to do, like cleaning these tumors, like cleaning skin folds and all kinds of stuff. But she did it because she wanted this place to live, and she actually forms a friendship with the Elephant Man. As she is caring for him, she finds out that he has not been sleeping well because these ghosts have been visiting him at night. And some of them are very angry ghosts, and some of them are very sad ghosts, but they are all the ghosts of women. And so the Elephant Man kind of starts sending Evelyn out on these journeys in order to try to find out information about these women. The Elephant Man is tormented by them, and he just wants to help these ghosts kind of get peace so that they will stop visiting him at night. And so Evelyn goes out on these adventures. She soon finds out that these are women who have been killed by Jack the Ripper. And so as she goes out and tries to find more information about them, Jack the Ripper is actually finding out information about her, and her life becomes in danger. So it's a really, really cool kind of mash up of all these true historical references, but also some cool fantasy and a really cool mystery on if Evelyn is going to figure out who Jack the Ripper is before Jack the Ripper can find Evelyn. So I hope you will enjoy A Taste for Monsters.